Now I request to the resident officer Komal to speak something for the Dr. Dinesh Sahara.
नमस्कार मुझे तरी अगर दिनेश सारा की अंतिम मुझे थोड़ा यार कैप्ची शाबटी मुझे जगह तो तेरे अंगरम जो इंगे तो चिकार भी मुझे कुछ नंबर अगर नशी लोगे दिनेश सारा अंकों चारो अगर नशी हिंदी दिवे जातो ओमा दे ये मीटिंग जो सबसे अनि दे सिमला चिंजम लेगों से हमारा ज्ञान भी मैंने समझी टेस्ट लेके गई हमारे हरे कोरोशी मन कंधान देवा मन चुए चेले से वो तेजी करते जब ये सीधे पार्टी तेजी होती आप विशेषकर मैं हिंदी में बताऊं तो डॉक्टर जी को थोड़ा समझने में थोड़ा कठिन पाएगा तो मैं हिंदी में बताऊं तो मेरा जन्म स्थान साउथ इंडिया बेंगलोर से ना तो मेरा हिंदी ठीक नहीं है तो मैं इंग्लिश में बताऊं थोड़ा सा जरूर ताकि हमारे युवा लामा लोग आइंदा आने वाले समय में तो इंग्लिश में जोरदार हमारे गुरुजी लोग यहाँ बैठा था फिर बाद में इंग्लिश थोड़ा पिकअप कर लेगा in the heavenly realm of Tibet हमरे रवे को शिंगम सो लवर तक क्यों लो तो सिक्स जो रात में मुझे दे in the heavenly realm of Tibet surrounded by a chain of snow mountains source of all happiness helpful being is Tenzin Gyatso Cheresi in person. With this auspicious prayer word, I would like to say a few words in English. First of all, I, on behalf of Central Tibetan Administration, Dharamsala, and Chief Representative Office, Simla, and from my personal side, I'm really honored to be here with Dr. Dinesh Sahara and his colleague for the auspicious Dalai Lama's Way to Happiness book unveiling ceremony. And besides this venue itself is we Tibetan it is believed as very auspicious and under the Lord Guru Padma Sambhava's beloved statue, we all gather over here and now we are going to unveil the launching of the book over here. That is really very auspicious. And besides that, last night I got a call from administrator of Kochita Monastery, Mr. Yandela, to attend this function, and I told him what is the purpose of this program, and he told me the opening of His Holiness book. Then I say, yes, I will come there. And if you have a little bit background of this book, and at the same time he sent me one book. And in between that time, I just read through, and Dr. Ji has nicely written the book. First, he came across with His Holiness Dalai Lama in a Taj Hotel, Mansingh Palace. And he is coming down the elevator, and there he met His Holiness Dalai Lama waiting for another elevator to go up. Since then, Dr. Dinesh Ji and His Holiness, the day they came meet there at the Taj Hotel, and he was inspired, and later he moved to Dharamsala for His Holiness office. And then, as he already mentioned, he got personal audience and His Holiness his autograph book and other things, and he was inspired and later few years he has written this book. Because this book is more or less is talking about the happiness. I can say I personally would like to say the happiness depends upon each and individual. My happiness doesn't mean for his her happiness. So happiness depends upon each individual. We have to think from many angles how we will have a happiness. And in the book he has mentioned His Holiness with Barack Obama, His Holiness with Nelson Mandela, His Holiness with Desmond Tutu, the Archbishop, and late Prime Minister Indira Gandhi ji, as well as Dr. Manmohan and the Prince Charles, and so on and so forth. He has nicely written how the Dalai Lama meeting the other luminaries of the world and how they carry forward the peace, happiness, and the joys between the individuals. Besides that, I would like to share the happiness, the source of happiness depends upon individuals. So we should feel happy by yourself, what we have around you, not comparing to others. Oh, he is having this, I am not having this. Then your happiness will differentiate. You will not get the happiness. And at the same time, it's really auspicious. I would like to say a few words about His Holiness. 4 main principal commitments. Promotion of universal human values. Promotion of inter-religious faith. Preservation of Tibetan culture and environment. And last but not the least, revival of ancient Indian wisdom. These 3 principal commitments, His Holiness is taking care so that wherever he goes, not only Buddhists, not only Tibetan, throughout the world, His Holiness was welcomed and His Holiness was loved by many, many peoples. Even Chinese, even Taiwanese, even Mongolians, even Indians. Yes, Indians. We have long relations since 7th century, 8th century onwards. Our students came from Tibet and they learned the Nalanda tradition, and they later went to Tibet and they make the Tibetan script, upper that and all. With these few words, I'm really honored to join this auspicious launching of book, and it's also a holy place under the